How to disable screenshot full screen preview on iPhone after iOS 26. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First of all, you should know that in order for you to disable the full screen screenshot, all you gotta do is update your device to iOS 26. Once you have updated, now if you want to disable this full screen preview screenshot, then all you gotta do is you have to move into the settings of your device. Once you're inside the settings, simply move into General. Inside General, you need to search for the feature screen capture. It will be shown to you right below picture in picture. But right now you can see it is not available to mine. It's because I haven't updated my device to iOS 26. But for you, if it is updated, then the option will be available to you. Simply click on screen capture, and at the very top you can see full in preview. Simply disable that option. Once it has been disabled, it will turn off screenshot full screen preview on iPhone. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.